May I know where are you from?
I'm from the U.S. Washington, D.C., where like the White House is.
Oh, Washington DC. Oh my goodness. This is the first time that I got a Washington DC. Oh man.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Where's that? Is that India or?
Yeah, just right after India.
Okay, I
Uh,
get you.
but did you ever been to any other country, just Asian country?
No,
Nah.
unfortunately, I want to travel. That was my goal, but then I had my daughter.
Oh, yeah. When your daughter will grow up, then you will visit.
Yeah, I'm gonna travel the world.
Okay, so
India is definitely one of the places I want to travel.
oh, really?
Dubai. I really want to go to Dubai.
What is the mastery of visiting in India?
I just think your guys' culture is really cool. Like, I would love to go to like the mosque that I've seen there. Like that. I don't know what it's called, so I don't want to be like disrespectful to your culture or anything.
Yeah, okay.
Culture, if that makes
Yeah,
sense.
that's different culture. That's you are really so interested to
Yeah,
get this. I want to have a little request.
You want to have one?
Yeah, my request is
Okay, what's your?
my country is located just right up to India. So if you come over in Bangladesh, I will help you as an interpreter.
Well, thank you.
My pleasure. Washington DC is a very expansive place. So may I know what you do for life?
I work in adult entertainment. Have
But
you ever heard of Larry Flint's Hustler Club? It's in Las Vegas.
yeah, I do.
You've heard of them? Yeah, I work for them.
Okay, sounds good. How old are you? May I
Okay.
know?
I'm sorry.
How
How
old?
old am I?
Yeah,
28.
28. Guess how old I am? What do you think?
25,
No, just
24.
just around of you. Just around of
Go
you.
up,
Go up,
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 like older.
up. Yeah,
27.
8. Sorry, 9. 29.
29.
Yeah.
I'll be 29 in March.
29 on the March. So good. I just stepped on 29 just on the last 22 September.
Oh
Uh,
wow. My
29.
daughter, her birthday's in September. She's a
Oh,
Virgo.
oh, goodness. Oh, on the same month we born each other. Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Happy. So
Yeah.
happy. How many kids do you have?
You know what?
Only one daughter. Oh, so
Yep.
you will not take any more kids?
I mean, if it happens naturally, I mean, I can't stop it, obviously, but I'm not trying to have any more kids now.
Ah, okay.
It's not my plans anyway.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
You know that you can get. Well, you said you visited DC before, right?
No, I didn't visit any more country. Except India, I didn't go any other country.
Oh, okay.
One thing I want to know, please, you know what? We are South Asian people. Okay? Lots of people are trying to make friendship with European and Western people. Basically, omens.
Right.
Okay? So if any other boy, not only Bangladeshi, but any other boy out of your American, just wants to make friendship with you. Suppose you think anybody just got you and they are proposing you to make friendship. So what will be your reaction on the first time?
I've made a lot of friends on here that are like in different countries, but you know, in that same breath, you just got to be careful.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
I think it's just all about, you know, you and your energy and how you carry it.
Yeah.
And also, like, I'm very good with energy. So, like, if I feel like the vibe is not good, I won't entertain it respectfully. But I'm still very careful, you know.
Oh.
I love to meet new people and talk to people, as you can see. But I obviously won't push it far and, you know, hey, here's my number. This is exactly where I lay my head at. And, you know what I mean? Like, you still just have to have boundaries, just like with anything, you know?
Yeah, I understand, but
It's no different than meeting a stranger on the street.
yeah,
You still got to figure out, what are they about? What are they going to do? You know?
yeah, I got it.
It's kind of the same thing.
Yeah,
You
but
got to always be careful no matter what.
okay, for sure. But do you ever think to make friendship out of your country's people?
Yeah, I have a lot of friends out of my country, especially because of this app. Like one of my biggest supporters and who's became
No, I
such a
mean,
great
yeah,
friend
I know.
is and lives in Canada.
I know friendship. I mean, just very closely. Suppose you think I'm just talking to you. I want to make a good relationship with you. I want to meet with you. If you trust me,
Okay.
if we trust each other. So, what will be your response?
Well, we'll just have to get to know each other a little better. That's all. But
So,
if you want to hop in my chat, hon,
uh,
because I'm gonna take the PK off here just so it doesn't start another one.
for sure.
And then, yeah, if you want to hop in my chat, I will always talk to you. I don't ignore anybody. I promise.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you. Good night.